The war in Ukraine is a frozen conflict. It's not ending anytime soon, and it may not have any real winners. That's what happens with long-drawn conflicts. No winners, but clear losers. The losers are the people of those countries. Just look at Iraq. In 2003, the US launched a war on Iraq. 19 years have passed. The US found no weapons of mass destruction. They made a mess of the country and left. And now Iraqis are paying the price for America's actions. In the last 19 years, the country has hurtled from one crisis to another. Let me show you the latest images. Angry citizens storming the Iraqi parliament.